All right, kids, this is your tutorial on how to make a perfect burger patty, all right? Start off with your meat from Lori Stoltz, and you grab about this much, I don't know how much it is. It's about that much. It's a big old ball of meat. Kind of gross. You got to get your hands into this stuff and kind of just start dribbling it a little bit. Picture you're playing basketball, but the ball doesn't come back up to you. It just kind of splats on there. Then you get your mallet. You got to get the one with the spikes on it like that, all right? Because the spikes are key. You just kind of beat that thing like that. Get it into, this kind of form. And I like to go around in a circle and then just make the edges kind of nice. Kind of smack that thing real gently. Then you flip it over, hit that meat some more. This is kind of packing it together, making it real nice, all right? And then I just go around and I kind of hit those edges, pack it down, make it just the right size. Because, it's got to fit the burger just right. You can't just have it just kind of, ooze over the edge is okay. But if you're underestimating, you don't want to have like more bun than meat. Nah, you got to have the meat either go outside the bun or be perfectly in line, all right? So once you get that all, tamped real nice, and sometimes I do it 2 or 3 times. If I got all day, I could probably do it 6 or 7 times. Whatever trips your trigger, floats your boat. Kids, these days you're in charge of your life and you can do whatever you want, all right? Just make sure that that burger is what you want it to be when it goes on the grill, all right? So I got that, looks like that, better than what Hy-Vee sells. All right, put that on your plate. You just keep making a meat tower, all right? You just keep making them. That's your video of the day on how to make meat patties for the grill. Stay tuned, kids, for next episode, how to drink beer.